Guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm with my friend Minnie.
What's up?
Hey, okay, I'm doing another taste test for you peeps, and today we got this new top soda called Tab. Tab. I feel like it's gonna taste like Dr. Pepper. Okay, ready? It just smells like Diet Coke. It smells like Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
What's it taste like?
Tastes like Coca-Cola.
Okay. It does taste like Coca-Cola.
Man, that was such a bummer.
I know, right?
Sponsor us, Tab, please. No, okay. Okay, it says how much serve size. 0 calories? Yo, dude, 0 calories. Dude, 0 calories. Please focus. Focus. Get your head out of the way. It won't focus. But it says 0 calories, okay? Total fat, 0. Sodium, 40, okay? Total carbs, 0. Protein, 0.
This is pretty good.
I could either drink Diet Coke and die in like 5 days, or I could drink this and just say, hey, got my Diet Coke out, and just put Coca-Cola on it. Since that was so boring, you know what? I got a different thing to taste test. We got this cleaning product, so we're gonna taste test this. Probably gonna die tomorrow. There we go. I didn't actually drink it. Yeah, don't drink bleach, kids. Are we done?
Yeah.
Bye.